Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This morning we have a little mini meetup at the park. It was kind of planned pretty quick overnight, so let's see who shows up. I'm not expecting a lot of people because it was planned very quickly, but let's see. We're already late. I set the time for 8:15 and I'm already going to be running late, so let's go. So car was clean yesterday, so she's not looking too shabby, I might say. Alright, let's go. We're already late. I have to get a shot of this. Oh, let's see. Look at this view. There you go. That looks like summer. Just stop and get a cup of coffee. Next time I won't plan any meat this early. Let's go. Let's see what gas is. Sheep. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah. So we're here. Well, and that's the trade-off. So that's me. I need a. How did you get this wired up, man? I have a camera too, but I need to get it. What's the part number for? I'll send it to you. Power? I'll send it to you. The stock wiring that it comes with is a little short, so I had to order a longer cable, but it's pretty simple. Yeah, my wife was like, this thing here needs to be like wired, you know. I was like, you know what? You wire. You can look inside. It's hidden, most of it. Okay. This is Hitzum and Larry. This Sir Larry. Yeah, it's a pretty nice meet. Everyone is here. Well, not everyone. Still waiting on a couple of guys. If this is a decal plate, nah, that's not it. And that's Drew standing on his BBS. Nice. That's a new diffuser too. No, that's the same old diffuser.
Really?
Huh?
You have the factory exhaust stuff?
Factory exhaust. How
are they going to adjust it out? They're just going to cut and then.
No, they're going to. So it's stamped on.
Oh.
So
okay.
just gonna
so you just
pull it out a little bit, and then I told him to tack it, like tack weld it at 4 spots, so it doesn't fall off.
Rattle off.
Yeah, but he's like, man, I want to extend it. I'm like, don't extend it, because if I'm selling the car, I don't want it to be sticking out. I don't want that much work, you know. But
It's like black. It's the pollen. It's black pollen.
Oh man.
I literally washed the car yesterday, and as I'm drying it, I see pollen,
see pollen
falling
coming down.
on the car. I was like,
I had to wash it.
That's great, man.
Bring it. Yeah, it's great. I had to wash it, bring it inside the garage,
Yep.
and then start. Bring the garage door like
Down.
3/4 way
Yeah.
down, and
That's
then
the good thing
start.
about that color, you know, like with this freaking pollen, it looks
Yeah, it's hard to see the pollen. You'll see it more on here. Yeah. And the diffuser.
oh yeah.
See? That's how much pollen. That's how much.
That's from yesterday.
Just driving here.
Now?
Just driving
oh
here.
My goodness. I don't even want to go touch mine. Mine's white. You could be like, oh damn, he didn't even clean his car.
Larry's going for a test drive in the RCF and hit him. They're just test driving each other's car.
I know there was something about going to that tail of the dragon thing. Everybody going to that? I think is it like September something? August.
It's midweek, so this is Sir Dustin.
Ooh, I like that black.
This is everybody. Ethan with Larry, Dustin.
Yeah, right.
Me,
Yeah, but there's a fake one, actually.
Drew. It's new.
I got it last year, December. Oh, okay.
This is supercharged GS sleeper. That was a good turnout. So we have what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quite a couple F5s for a surprise, spur of the moment meet. What exhaust is that, Drew?
Racing, active.
Yeah.
The active is only in
Oh, yeah.
ceiling, and I just ran the wires on the bottom until it made it to the exhaust. So there's just like this much cable showing on both sides. Perfect. Okay. Install was a lot easier than I expected.
Yeah. That's a day to day. Yeah, not bad.
When I turn it on in the house, I try to remember. I put these buttons on my garage link. Yeah, because it's the same frequency, so you can program the button at the garage. So I turn off the exhaust, and then I open the garage. So when I remote start it from inside the house, it doesn't rattle the whole house. Yeah. Because it does rattle the whole house when it's open. Yeah, wait for, they run sales like any holiday that's off on a Monday or something, or they run those sales. I think I paid,
Sorry.
so retail is like $4,500 on it.
Everyone is out here. Alright, so guys, we're about to leave, so I'm just taking a video of all the cars that came out. Drew left and I'm about to leave. Hey Dustin, should put something like this on your car.
I need someone to educate me on this.
It's a supercharger. He's supercharged.
I know, but like, what is it makeshift from on a SVT?
Yeah, it's from a Ford Lightning probably, or a Mustang.
I was gonna say, yeah, it has to be one of those two.
Yeah. He said he has another one that he's going to put on, but he needs to build the plate to get it to fit. Huh?
Who drives this one?
Hey, you! How much PSI is on? How much PSI is it running? How much PSI?
That pulley is like 4 pounds.
4 pounds.
I'm working on a few things, so I jump back and forth. The main pulley I run is more like 5-6. Eventually, I'll get as high as 8 or 9.
Roll out. Pleasure. Be good. Car. Take care.
All right, man.
Hey, don't kick nobody's butt on that road now.
Yeah, eventually I might go as high as 9 or 10.
I'm not leaving.
10 pounds.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, you gotta hear it start.
I gotta hear that.
You gotta hear
All
it
right, man. Hey, good.
It's a sleeper.
Yeah, so everybody is about to roll out. All right, let's see what this supercharged. Woo!
We don't have those blue tip bozo mufflers like you guys.
Oh yeah.
Burn out.
Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna wrap the video up here. I'm going to head home. It was a nice turnout, the best turnout since the year, and my first video for this year. So we're gonna plan some more meetups and see if we can get some more guys out here to have something similar, probably in a couple of months' time. But for now, see you later, guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I don't post as often, but when I do, it's the best place for GSF content in Atlanta. So go ahead and subscribe. Talk to you guys later.